Hey guys, today we're going to talk about an email marketing software and we will set up an email marketing campaign step by step as a beginner. So, as you can see on the screen, we will just create an account right here for free as we click on sign up for free. And as you can see on this screen, you can write your email address here, you can write your password, and you can get started. So as I already created an account, I will sign up from here afterwards. But let's first talk about the pricing of the software, right? So as I click on pricing, as we can see, we have four plans in the software, and we can choose the free plan to get started. Here we will get 300 emails per day with unlimited contacts. So the best part about this software that we don't have to pay according to the contacts. Okay, so we can have unlimited contacts. The limitation is not related to contact. On other software, as you can see, there is a limitation of contact. The more contacts you will have in the software, the more contact you will have, the more you have to pay. But in this you can have unlimited contacts. So basically this software charges you on the basis of emails you send. So as with a free plan, you can have 300 emails per day. With light plan, which starts with $25, you can have 100k emails, and there is no daily spending limit. Premium starts with $65, and enterprise you have to discuss with them. Okay? So most people start with the premium plan because the premium plan gives you everything. But as a beginner, you can start for free plan. So let's sign up, and we can start the step by step process. Sign up for free, and as you sign up for free, I have already created my account, so I will sign up with Google, my Gmail account. So as you sign up, you will have this dashboard where we can set up email marketing campaigns. We will have templates, we will have statics, and we have several settings. As you can see, we can add software in this thing, right? We can have app with this software. Like you can install the apps that helps you grow. So there are several apps we can install. As you can see, these are the software which comes in, some comes in premium plan, some comes in a free plan, some comes with the light plan. So these are the integration that you can do if you want more software. So as you can look at the screen, we redirected to the dashboard of the software, and as you can see, it is written here, create my first email campaign. Before we create our first email campaign, I want to click on this plus icon to tell you something about the integration of apps that you can do with this system. The apps that enables you different functionality and ability in marketing and sales. So as you can see here, we can have Facebook ads and retargeting ads plus chat options, plus we can also create landing pages, and these functionality you can add on with this software. But here's the catch, these all softwares and functionality comes in premium plan. So you have to buy their premium plan, which is comes after light and then premium, then enterprise. So you have to buy their premium plan in order to enable these things. But on the light and free plan, you can have all these. So let's get back to the main dashboard where we can look at and navigate the other options that we can do with this software, other things that we can do with this tool. And before we create our first campaign, before we create our first email campaign, let's click on contact, import contacts from computer. So as you want to import contact, you can have two options. You can basically upload it. So click on this import contact button. So as you can see, we have two options, upload file and copy and paste. So if you want to copy and paste just simply from text file or Excel file, you can do that as well. And but if you want to upload simply from simply a Excel file or TXT file or Google Sheet file, you can also do that. Basically, all .cvc file. Basically, all are .csv file. So as we click on .csv, as we click on import, upload, I can select it from my computer and I go to my desktop, select the emails txt. So it's uploading. It has already been uploaded. So as I click on confirm your file, here is the second option comes. You will have the second option called mapping data. So as you can see, the second option, which is called mapping the data. So in this option, what happens is it selects your attribute in the file that you uploaded. Suppose you upload a txt file, so whatever the attributes you have given there, it will redirect and upload those attributes right here under email. So I have only one attribute in my txt file which I uploaded here, so that's why it is giving me email only. If I would have had 3 attributes, it would give me 3 attributes. So just click on confirm mapping and it will ask you to select a list where you want to upload your contact. So with default you have this, your first list. I have these 3 more lists, so I have chosen this one. It's nothing different. Just select any list that you want, or if you want a new list, just create a new list from here. Select a list, confirm your list, and here it is finalize your import. So it is asking you update the attributes of existing contact. I said yes, all those things. Okay, so here you confirm the opt-in agreement that all those things, all those emails are legit and they are not rented, they are not didn't bought from someone, and these are your opt-in subscribers. Confirm your import, and as you can see, it is importing right now. It will take a little bit time, but as you import the contact, you will have a new display. So as you can see, our contacts are uploading right now, and it will take a little bit time. So what we can do, we can go to forms, click on forms, and we can create subscription forms to collect emails. So basically these forms you can embed in your websites and the landing page that you want to create. Suppose you are creating a landing page or a website, you can have this email form in your website to collect customers emails. So as you can see, I already created a subscription email example. Probably you will have this button right up here that I have right up here. You will have this button in the middle, and you click on it and you will end up on this page, so you can give the name here whatever you want, form name. And the second option is design. So this is the main body of your email subscription form. Okay, so as you can see, we can see here in the computer and in the mobile phone, so we can navigate to from computer to mobile phone. And if you want to just drag some attribute, add some attribute in your newsletter, you can just drag it from here, just right here. Okay, so you can have the first name here, and you can change the name, last name, first name from here, single line, multiple lines, like this. So it's very intuitive, and these things happens, these things really required in an email marketing software to be functional and more aesthetic. So as you can change background here, very simple. You can make it black, you can make it blue, whatever you choose. You can choose an image here as a background image. Okay, so it's very simple. You can change the title, you can have another font, as you can navigate from here. Okay, so you can change the font from here. And also, if you want to add an image, which is the best thing that you can do in an email form, so you can drag and drop some, as you can add some image right here, as I uploaded an image. So as you can see, I uploaded an image and I just have to drag and drop here. Okay, So this is how you get an image in the place, and this looks pretty good. You can change the location of newsletter. You want to make it in a middle, you can do that. You can have a spacing spaced like this, tight, default. The options are here, and that's how you make a simple email marketing newsletter, right? That's how you make it. And you can embed this email marketing form in your website and landing page. So when you click on next button, so it is notice, so there is a notice in here. We strongly recommend you to use reCAPTCHA. So basically, so they say that they strongly recommend to use reCAPTCHA. I really don't want to use reCAPTCHA. If you want to, it just protects you with from spammers and robotic bots. So you can use it if you want. I don't want to use it. So you have to select a list where you want to set this email form for. So I just selected my CRM list here and click on next button. As you click on the button here, you will have the third option, which is message. Your subscription has been successful. So all these messages you can edit as you want. You click on next button. As you click on next, you are ready to share this email marketing form anywhere. As you click on preview a new tab, the new tab will open and you will have an email marketing form. As you can see here, it's a pretty decent and simple email marketing form, nothing fancy. And also a code is given here, which is you can copy this code, see iframe code HTML. You can copy an HTML code from here and you can put this HTML code in your website, in your WordPress website, or in some landing page. You can put this code, the whole code, you can paste it there, and this form will embed in your website. So it's very simple and very functional way to embed your form. You click on done and you will end up with a fully completed functional landing page, or you can say email subscription page, where you can collect emails of customers. So the next thing that we're going to do is to create an automation for email marketing workflow. And in order to do that, we have to create an email template for that, plus the newsletter. So the newsletter we already created, and now we're going to create an email template. So just click on new template, the design will open, and here you have to write the template name. So you can give like any name. So I'm going to give welcome message. I'm writing this just for example. You have to write these things with a perfect strategy, because these things matter whether someone is going to click on your email, and the click through rate and the open rate is going to depend on these things. So basically, subject line is, suppose you are giving away a free lead magnet. You can, here is your free, here is your free ebook. Now the preview text, why the preview text is really important for creating and increasing click-through rate, because when people see your email, you sent someone your email, they only see the preview text of your email, and on that basis they open your email. So the preview text has to be on point. So there are certain techniques of email marketing where you can write a certain type of text which can significantly increase your open rate. Right now we are going to just simply type something for example, so nothing fancy right now, because it will create, so in order to have a perfect email marketing system, you need to spend some time on that. So I'm gonna type the same thing. Here is the ebook that you want. So as we click this, as we enter the preview text, let's click on the email that you're going to send. Show the advanced option, customize to reply to emails. So suppose someone is replied to your email that you sent to them. So here you have to create a default reply to message for them, right? I don't want that, but if you want that, you can write here the recipient replies for your contact. Customize the to field. So suppose you want to customize some attribute, suppose first name. So what you will do, you will just create the signs, and here you will write the first name, and that will replace the attribute with the personalized message. You can activate the Google and advanced analytics tracking. That's another thing. You can add the tag, add any attachment that you want from here. Select file, selecting a file, right? And these are the options. And your design, your preview text, everything is already been done here. So just click on next step from here. And as you click on next step, you will have three options: drag and drop editor, rich text editor, and paste your code. So when it comes to paste your code, it's talking about HTML code, so we don't have to worry about that right now. A rich text editor is the simple letter email that you send to your friend. So it's not a promotional email, but the simple email that you send to your friend. So I'm not gonna talk about the rich text editor because it's very simple. You do it every day. We don't have to worry about that. But the thing that we're going to worry about that, and we're going to do it, is drag and drop editor. So as you can see, we have several things in the drag and drop editor. Let me little bit minimize it so you can see it properly. Right. So here you can change the logo. Suppose I want to change the logo. I want to change the image from here. So image I already have in here. So I just drag and drop, and here you can see the image. It is uploading, taking some time because the image is high resolution. It is a high resolution image, so it is that. And here you can type the logo if you want, right? You can have a link here. You can have the caption here, the link of the promotional, the product you are promoting. You can put a link of the sales page right here. So decent amount of things that they are giving right now. So you can also add like these social media networks, social media handles, links of your social media here, which is a pretty decent thing. It will drive traffic to your social media, also create your following, and that's how you do it. That's how you create a pure and fully automated email marketing campaign and promotional campaign. It helps you basically let you build it very simply and easily. And here is a button of send a test email, so you can send a test email before sending to actual customer. So you can send and you can check the spam score and the domain authority of your email, the email address, and how it is looking on the different mobile phone. And also if you want to check the resolution of your email campaign on different smartphone or computer, so it's a very on mobile, it will be like this. In computer, in Windows computer or Chrome browser or any browser, it will look like this. It's a very pretty simple and decent thing. All right. So you just have to first of all send a test email before you send to the actual customer, and that's how you know that your where your email is going. Your email is going to the proper inbox, or your email is going to in spam box. It happens many times that people send email people send email and they go to see directly to the spam box. People don't even the customer don't even consider their email promotional emails. So it's very important to understand where your emails are going, right? So just click on save and quit. So as you click on save and quit, you will successfully saved the created template, as you can see here. And when you click on save and activate, what it will do, it will click and it will activate your template completely for the automation system that we're going to use ahead in the process. So just save and activate, and from here save and quit. So guys, if you like this video and if this video helps you in any way, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment down your queries, and I'll see you the next time.